Hello everyone, myself Michael Ravina, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject is CS 3551 Distributed Computing. The unit is Cloud Computing. In this video, we are going to discuss about definition of cloud computing, characteristics of cloud and cloud deployment model. Definition of cloud computing. The US National Institute of Standard and Technology defines cloud computing as cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. For example, network, servers, storage, application and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. Characteristics of cloud computing. The first characteristic is on-demand self-service. That means the cloud computing resources can be provisioned on demand by the users without requiring interaction with the cloud service provider. The next one is a broad network access. Cloud computing resources can be accessed over the network using standard access mechanisms that provide platform independent access through the use of heterogeneous client platforms such as workstation, laptops, tablets and smartphones. The next one is the resource pooling. That means the computing and storage resources provided by the cloud service provider are pooled to serve multiple users using multi-tenancy. Multi-tenant aspects of the cloud allow multiple users to be served by a same physical hardware. Rapid elasticity. Cloud computing resources can be provisioned rapidly and elastically. That means the cloud resources can be rapidly scaled up or down based on demand. The next one is a measured service. The cloud computing resources are provided to users on pay-per-use model. That means the usage of the cloud resources is measured and the user is charged based on some specific metric. The performance of the cloud is measured by that means the cloud computing provides improved performance for applications since the resources available to the applications can be scaled up or cloud based on the dynamic application workloads. Then reduced costs. That means the cloud computing provide cost benefits for the applications as only much computing and storage resources as required can be provisioned dynamically and upfront investment in purchase computing assets to the cover the worst case requirements in the is avoid. Outsourced management. The cloud computing allows users to outsource the IT infrastructure requirements to external cloud providers. Next one is the reliability. That means applications deployed in cloud computing environments generally have a higher reliability since the underlying IT infrastructure is professionally managed by the cloud service. The next one is a multi-tenancy. That means the multi-tenancy approach of the cloud allows multiple users to make the use of the same shared resources. In a virtual multi-tenancy, computing and storage resources are shared among the multiple users. In organic multi-tenancy, every component in the system architecture is shared among the multiple tenants. Then cloud deployment model. Then there are multiple cloud deployment model. First one is a public cloud. The public cloud means this is available for public use. Then next one is the private cloud. Private cloud means that operated for exclusively use of a single service. That means single organization. It may be managed by an organization or a third party or may exist premises or off premises. For example, the main benefit of the private cloud for IT organization retains control over data center. Then next one is a community cloud. That community cloud available for shared use of several organizations supporting a specific community. Then next one is a hybrid cloud that combines multiple clouds that remain unique but bound together to offer applications and data portability. How to select the suitable cloud deployment model based on the scalability, privacy and security, cost, ease of usage, legal compliances. That means scalability means you need to check if your user activity is growing quickly or unpredictably with the spikes in demand. Then second concept is privacy and security. Select a service provider that protect your privacy and the security of your sensitive data. Then cost. You must decide how many resources you need for your cloud solution. Then calculate the approximate monthly cost for those resources with different cloud providers. Ease of use. That means you must select a model with no steep learning curve. Legal compliance. That means you need to check whether any relevant law stop you from selecting the any specific cloud deployment model. Based on these criteria, you must select the cloud deployment model.